Our identity is how we define ourselves and how others define us. It is our passport to the world. We need to be able to express ourselves in the way we want on social media platforms like Instagram. Because of this, by adding your pronouns, you can personalize your Instagram profiles in many ways. On your profile, this will be hidden behind your username. Instagram pronouns can be set to be visible to everyone or only to followers. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. On your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile menu, tap on Pronouns. Type one of your pronouns. Click on the tick button at the top right of your page. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to add pronoun to your Instagram profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.